He revved it up a little bit. What are they welding? They're welding a starting 5-minute Gosh, that thing is huge. That thing is huge. Oh! Hey, tell him to do it again. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Sounds good. All right. Take 2. Oh, she a beast now. Definitely hear that turbo. Oh yeah. Stroking. Oh. That is a big tip for a stock height truck, for sure. Still looks good. And he is gonna lift it up, and that's why I got such a big tip. Because once it gets a lift on it, new tires and rims, it's gonna be looking badass. But this is my brother's truck. I didn't mention that to y'all, but he got this just a while back. He had a white cat eye Chevy, and it was real nice, but he decided he wanted to get a diesel. I'll put a picture in this video of what his Chevy looked like. He done these headlights himself, and they look pretty good. Got some LED pods in there, and they're pretty bright, and he's got fog lights and everything. So it looks okay now, but I know once he's done with it, it's gonna be looking pretty badass. So thanks for watching.